This is a used 2014 Dodge Journey. Grab life by the horns. Powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Dick Smith Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 9505 East 350 Highway, Raytown, Missouri 64133.